this is left-handed. And I just felt like doing something, so I thought I'd make a video. Today I'm going to give you a denture. Now let me just change my den, because you probably all know your way around the arcade. How about the Sky City? So here is my cafe. And up here, it's the living room, best dressed. And this is my bedroom. Not much stuff, but I can add things. And if you go up here, there's a rainbow right there. You can slide down it. Pool. Go down the slide. Finally. There's the cafe. That phantom light. And back where we started. Now here I made like two little like two little hut things. I don't know, you could stay in them. And it's like sort of like a hotel. And up here, and then the last part is right over here. It's very rainy and sad, but there's a little pool. And that's my den tour. So yeah, bye guys. Oh wait, there's more. Ooh, yay. Oh yay, I went down the water slide. Bye, left-handsters. See you next time.